Hi there, this is Fatima with Fragomen, the world's leading provider of immigration services, and I'm here to talk about Irish citizenship by descent. If you have Irish roots and are curious about how you can become an Irish citizen, this video is for you. Today I'll cover what Irish citizenship by descent is, highlight its key benefits, and provide a brief overview of the eligibility requirements and application process. Let's jump right in. So what is Irish citizenship by descent? Simply put, it's a way for individuals with Irish ancestry to claim Irish citizenship. This is possible if you have a parent, grandparent, or in some limited circumstances, even a great-grandparent who was born in the island of Ireland. But why would you want to become an Irish citizen? There are some key benefits. The first is travel freedom. As an Irish citizen, you can live, work, and travel freely within the European Union as well as the United Kingdom. And the other is education opportunities. You gain access to educational opportunities across the EU, often at reduced tuition rates. And the other is cultural connection. It's a meaningful way to connect with your Irish heritage and culture. And last, it's consular protection. You can receive consular assistance from Irish embassies and consulates worldwide. Now let's talk about eligibility. Who can apply for Irish citizenship by descent? There's a few criteria. The first is Irish-born parent. If one of your parents were born in Ireland, you are automatically an Irish citizen. And the other is Irish-born grandparent. If you have an Irish-born grandparent, you can apply for citizenship through the Foreign Births Register. And when we look at Irish-born great-grandparents, you may be eligible if your parent registered in the Foreign Births Register before you were born. It's really important to note that eligibility through foreign birth registration does not extend beyond great-grandparents. If you do not qualify under foreign birth registration, however, you may meet criteria under naturalization, via association, or even residency. The criteria is quite strict, but it is possible. Finally, let's go over the application process. There's a few basic things you need to do. The first is you need to gather the valid documentation. You need to collect vital records such as birth certificate, marriage certificate, and death certificate that proves your lineage. You also need to make sure that these documents are original or certified true copies issued by a government department. Regular copies will just not suffice. And second, you need to register in the Foreign Births Register. You need to submit your application online and send the required documents to the Department of Foreign Affairs. And then you need to wait for processing. The processing times can vary, so please do be prepared for a long wait. And once it's approved, you will be entered into the Foreign Births Register. And then you can apply for your Irish passport, and after your citizenship is confirmed, you can apply directly for the passport. And that is a quick overview of Irish citizenship by descent. With these steps, you can become an Irish citizen. If you're curious whether you might be eligible for Irish citizenship or residency, Fragomen offers a free and easy-to-use eligibility tool. Just answer a few quick questions and it'll help you determine your potential eligibility. I'll include the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. If you found this content helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Fragomen content. To learn more about the firm or reach out for immigration services, visit the link in the description box and contact the Fragomen office closest to you.